Hi, it's Dr. Jerome Fryer here. A little tip on the prevention of neck and back pain as you cough or sneeze. Often patients will explain to me that when they cough or sneeze, they actually bend their neck to the side because we've been taught to not spread our germs. Bend our neck to the side and turn and cough and sneeze into your arms. Look what you're doing to the neck. I had somebody here recently that had pain in his upper back and neck because he had allergies. He was a frequent sneezer and he would do this. I got him to stop doing this. His back pain, neck pain went away. So with the model, you can see that you want to, instead of bringing your head and neck down to your arm, if you've got a good shoulder, it would make sense to bring your hand up to your neck, not the other way around, quite simply. And the reason why is because you don't want to bend the neck forward, and then the pressures are quite substantial when you actually sneeze or cough, upwards to about 300% more pressure within the discs. So if you want to cough properly, without hurting your back or upper neck, best way is to bring your arm up this way instead.